Hey ladies, it's your girl Marquita. Here's an update of our first completed wild card weekend. Wild is definitely the word. We started on Saturday as the Arizona Cardinals unexpectedly are defeated by the Carolina Panthers 16 to 27. Definitely didn't see that one coming. That evening, the Baltimore Ravens come with their A game and manage to beat the Pittsburgh Steelers 30 to 17. The action continues on Sunday when the Cincinnati Bengals face off against the Indianapolis Colts. Despite their best efforts, the Bengals were no match for the Indianapolis Colts as they move on to the next round with a winning score of 26-10. And for me, the most controversial game happened that evening when the Detroit Lions and the Dallas Cowboys face off. There were many questionable calls for both sides, but the most talked about is the pass interference recall. Even Matthew Stafford is quoted as saying he had never seen a call like that get recalled. No matter the issue, Detroit Lions did allow the Dallas Cowboys to come from being down 17-7 at the half to allowing 10 unanswered points in the fourth quarter, which in the end, the Dallas Cowboys pull off a 24-20 win. I am sure this weekend is going to bring even more action, so please join me here on Facebook and Twitter. And remember the site where ladies love football? You guessed it, NFL Female.